Welcome to this video about implementing software in a company, and I wanted to pay attention to this graph that shows that at first it can be quite slow to learn something new. Eventually you'll try to get the hang of it, but then you often hit a plateau and it can take a lot of frustration and stress before you actually are rolling out the full solution. I think the same is true when rolling out software in a company. So at first you're excited about a new solution, you think it will solve all your problems in life, but then you take the first steps and notice, for example, that you need to reformat the data, that there are connections that are not working, and so on. And at that point in time, you might get frustrated and quit. And if the customer support of the company is not helping you out fast enough, you might start looking at other solutions, or you might even quit implementing the software. So I think it's really important to remember the mental cycle you're going through when you're implementing a new piece of software, because there generally will be a lot of frustration and things going wrong. And I think companies should pay more attention to this and, for example, make sure that customer support is following up with new customers to see how the implementation is going and help them avoid some common pitfalls. For example, if you just schedule a weekly follow-up for the first month, I think a lot of issues could be solved quite fast. And obviously your support has to answer in a few hours as well. So I think companies often underestimate how hard it is to roll out new, especially critical software, and you have to have a real plan and follow up the morale of people who are using the software and rolling it out to make sure that you can support them when things go wrong and bring them back on the right track. Because I think a lot of people get stuck after a while because one of the features they really want don't work. And then they stop implementing software and don't reach the full potential of it. And there was an interesting discussion about, should you really customize software so all your small problems get fixed, or should you just find general software and go with that? And I think in most instances the answer is just using general software and just make sure that that works, and don't go for super customized software because it will be often very expensive, and there will be a lot of issues to tailor everything to your situation. So I think in most instances it's better to just take software that fixes most of the use cases that you want, and then accept some things won't work as you really want. Whereas otherwise, if you want some super custom stuff, it will take a lot of time and money. So except if you have a big budget and a lot of time, I would often go for the general solution. So just a quick look at rolling out software inside a company. I will link to the article that I used the graph from as well. This article focuses more on learning in general, but I think it can be applied to rolling out or learning new software as well. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more, and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.